Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a weird sound with your hands and mouth. So you're going to have to get your finger, point your finger, then put it and make a fist, and put your pointer finger in the fist, and then put your pinky up, and then put your mouth on it. And when you do that, say girl. Girl, 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 girl. Okay, that's it.